Thank you for visiting our phonics video. Just being here shows that you are helping your child to improve early reading and writing. The following sounds are taught in class on a daily basis. Remember that Boom Reader is also a great place to see what your child has been reading in school and at home. Listen to me saying the sounds. Pause the video and have a go at saying the sounds yourself. A, man, am, at. A. If, it, sit, him. If. Matt, am, Sam. Sat, sit, Sam. It, sit, Tim. Nat, not, tin. Map, pot, pan. Off, hot, mop, Tom. Off. B, bag, bat, bit. B. Cat, cap, cot. G, gap, got, pig. G. Hot, hat, hit. D, dad, bed, dip. D. Fed, fit, fan. Vet, van. Fed, get, net. Kit, kid, hen. Lip, leg, lad. Red, rot, rub. Bug, bun, rub. Jog, jab, jug. J. Wig, wag, win. Zag, zip, zap. Box, six, wax. Yes, yap, yet.